making friends as an international student. As an international student, it can be difficult to make friends. You don't always have the same shared experiences as other students, and you might not know where to start when meeting people. But don't worry, we're here to help. Here are tips on how to make friends as an international student. Words of caution. As you go on your friendship hunt adventure, the following is key to keep in mind. Friendships should be organic, and they are both ways. Keep cultural differences in mind and don't try to force things in any imaginable way, or your well-intentioned attempts may be interpreted as harassments, for instance. Don't take it personal if someone you would like to befriend is not responsive to your advances. College is an overwhelming place for everyone, and while you might be dealing with a lot more changes and adjustments as an international student, others have their own baggage as well. Simply be kind to all and respect their space. Be yourself, learn, grow, and have fun, but remaining true to who you are and your values will be key. Do not feel like you need to change your whole personality to fit a group or be liked. As an international student, the diversity you bring to the table are key parts of your uniqueness on campus, in your community, and at work. Embrace it and even flaunt it if you must. Highly suggest you check out How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie, a book that helped me personally back in the day as I walked in the same shoes you are now, and which took me from being too shy to ask for directions when I got lost, to hosting holiday dinners every year where friends and people from all over the world join and expand their network while having fun. Join a club. Joining a club at the university is a great way to meet people. Clubs can be anything from sports teams and dance groups to interest clubs, such as gaming or cooking groups. There's most likely going to be one that suits you. The best part is you'll have something in common with the people of the club you're joining, which means you already have an icebreaker in place to start a conversation. In addition, clubs typically stage numerous events throughout the year, thus allowing you to meet even more people. If you are the self-starter type and would like to drive your own club, we are currently accepting applications for campus ambassadors. Join our team in helping other international students in your area find a supportive community as they adjust to school, life, and work in the USA. We look forward to meeting you. Make an effort to mingle with others in your class. Classmates can also be a great way to make friends. You'll most likely have at least one subject in common with them, making it even easier to bond. Find out if there is a study group that you can join. You will find that group projects are very common. Take advantage of this and build friendships as you all learn together. Plus, you don't always need to limit yourself to the people in the classes that you are currently taking. You can also try talking to classmates from other classes or levels. Go to events and parties. Whether you are part of a particular club or not, soirees and open events are also a wonderful way to meet new people. You might be worried about the language barrier. Still, you don't always need to speak fluently to enjoy a party. You can still make friends with people who only know basic English or even your native language. They'll still be able to introduce you to many other international students. Join a sport team. As mentioned above, joining some sort of community or club on campus is an effective way to meet new people and make friends. Joining a sport team not only can be a fantastic resource for making new friends, but can also be a gateway to opportunities and experiences you did not even imagine. Becoming a student athlete, which comes with perks such as scholarships, etc., is only one of the possibilities. So if you are already good at a sport back home, look for your school's team and go shine bright like a diamond. The sky is the limit. Many students take up sports such as Frisbee or Ultimate in their spare time, and joining these teams means you'll get to practice your English while having fun at the same time. Not to mention, you'll meet like-minded people who are also very health conscious. Develop the habit of taking a break. The temptation to stay in your room, silently studying from dawn till dusk, is genuine. However, it's essential to take a break every once in a while and get out of your house. Try going for a walk on campus or attending one of the many events offered by the school. Not only will you have something fun to do, but you'll also have the chance to meet lots of different people. Host a party. Who says you have to leave your house to meet someone new? If you're the outgoing type, why not invite some of your classmates over for tea, coffee, or maybe a drink or two? Not only will they be grateful that you've gone out of the way to host them, but they might even introduce you to their friends. Remember that making friends is a two-way street, and the best way you can do that is taking the initiative to reach out. Attend orientation activities. You can engage with other international students by joining orientation activities. These are usually annual events organized by your school student union. They're a great way to meet new people. Plus, it'll be much easier to make friends if everyone has just started at their school. Consider getting a job on campus. If you're looking to make a little bit of money while also meeting new people, then working on campus might be the answer. Many schools offer part-time jobs on campuses that involve student counseling or data entry. Working on your school's campus means you'll have plenty of opportunities to socialize with other students. So go ahead and apply for jobs that interest you. Volunteer. Look for volunteering opportunities on campus or in the area where you live. Volunteering is one of the best ways to make good and long-lasting friends as an international student. Find a cause you care about or discover new ideas that you can learn about while contributing by volunteering your time or knowledge. Make an ongoing effort. Making friends as an international student can be difficult at first. However, rest assured it is one of the most rewarding experiences you will have on your journey abroad. All around, you will find countless examples of friendships that started while studying abroad and turned into almost family. Remember that there are plenty of other international students on campus who are also looking for friends, so don't lose hope. Making friends as an international student is a process, but once you make one friend, it'll be much easier to find another. Things to keep in mind. Making friends is all about taking the initiative and giving it your best shot. You might feel overwhelmed at first, but with a bit of practice, you'll be an expert in no time. It is not as scary as it looks. You have already done the hard part by leaving your home country, and everyone you know to come to a new place with a language you most likely have to learn. You got this. If you've made it this far, congratulations on taking up your study abroad journey to the next level by learning with our videos. For more information, please visit our website fstudentlife.org. If you like this video, hit the like button, and if you want more videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates.